I'm just doing a quick video here. I don't know if you can hear that. I'm gonna put it down by the speaker. That high-pitched sound, doesn't matter what you're in, there's still a high-pitched sound. Okay, we're gonna fix this right now. I already know what it is. It's an RCA input issue. It's static electricity, and it's like static on the RCA input. So I'm gonna fix it right now. So it takes only a couple minutes to fix here. We just need, looks like 2 10s, and that's it. So I'm gonna grab that. Watch this. You hear it in the speakers. So it is somewhere back here. Now, if I unhook the antenna, does it go away? Nope, still there. So basically, what I have to find out is which wire is doing it, because it's one of these wires. It just usually just takes a couple minutes, and then all of a sudden you find it. Sometimes mess with the RCAs. These are the RCA inputs. Sometimes, like if you don't use unshielded cables, these are unshielded, like cheapest cables you can buy, and sometimes that's a problem. But I can hear an issue. Ooh, it's getting louder. Oh, it could be in the actual, oh, whoa. It could be dirty power. Could be dirty power. All right, give me a second here. I have an idea. I'm gonna switch the RCA cords and see if the sound goes away. If the sound goes away, you know it's the RCA cord. All right, I'm gonna give her a shot. All right, here comes the moment of truth. Let's turn the head unit on. I got the head unit for free. The RCAs I got for free. So stuff. No high-pitched sound, so it's the one set of RCAs. I switched them over to the subwoofer because the subwoofer really doesn't matter. As long as you have clear front music, you know, you're okay, but there's no high-pitched whining there. So I do need to replace the one set of RCAs that are coming out of the back of the deck that go to the subwoofer. But I have them taped together, so what I'm guessing is the one set is shielded and the other set is not shielded, and that's what's giving me the dirty power. Like, I'd rev it up and it would literally go to the tune of me revving it up through the stereo. So if you have this type of issue, you know, first things to change is the RCAs. Number one things to change is the RCAs. If it's not the RCAs, check your grounds. All right, see you on the next one.